Hey, first graders, hey, I'm back to teach you some more math today. This time though, I thought let's get a little more creative. Let's get something to eat, like a little snack. So I ran down to my pantry and I thought, let's do math with goldfish today. Because I love my dry erase board and I love Play-Doh, but these goldfish were calling my name. So do you have like goldfish or Cheez-Its or something you can use to count as we go? So I'm going to give you a second to grab those. You probably need more than a second. So go get those while I talk to you. You're going to need your green math book, your dry erase board, your eraser, and your marker. And then when you get back, resist the temptation to eat your snack. We're going to use them for thinking first. Then, of course, we eat them at the end, right? That's the best part. And if we were in school together and it wasn't the coronavirus, we would be able to do fun stuff like this. So let's try it at home. Why not? Live it up. Grab your snack. I'm going to get my things ready here. You go get your snack and return back to the computer. Okay. You get 1 whole minute while I get all situated. Go get that snack. Please and thank you. Okay. Let me know when you have your snack. I'm back. I got my dry erase board ready. You should be back almost ready, set to go. Open up your snackaroo, whatever you're going to use, something small. And if you have something that rolls away, try to make a nice little spot for it. And we don't need the whole bag. Like, of course, you can eat the whole bag later, but right now, you just need a few. So grab your little fishies, grab your marker and your dry erase board. And you're going to probably end up seeing a little friend come over here because I have goldfish out. And if you don't know who my very favorite little friend is, her name is Penelope. Let's get going with our math. We are going to find a number, and the number today is going to be 7. So find 7 goldfish on your board. And I'm going to say goldfish, whatever you have at home, you're using those. It does not need to be goldfish, but as I've been teaching all of my class, it seems to be that goldfish are a very popular snack. So whatever you have, use it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, the rest of the goldfish, put over in timeout a little bit out of your way. All right, so I have 7. Take your dry erase marker and let's write 7. Okay, can you see my 7? I sure hope so. 7 minus blank, we're going to make that, remember how I like to call that the present or the mystery number, equals, are you ready? 7 minus something equals something. So here's what we're actually going to subtract. 7 minus something equals 5. So to do this, it doesn't mean that you don't know the missing add. You can figure it out. We have 7 and we're going to take away 5. So here we go. Right now, whatever you have 7 of, let's take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now save them over there because we're not eating right now. We're working. What is the mystery number? Yeah, it's 2. Good job. Now we're going to take the related fact. That means we're going to take all the same numbers and use them again, but we're going to turn them into an addition problem. So we're going to start with 5, write it with me, plus 2 equals the very big number, the biggest number out of the sentence, 7. Okay, well, you finish writing. Let's read them. 7 minus 2 equals 5. Okay, do it again. Now the addition, 5 plus 2 equals 7. All right, well, we erase, of course. Enjoy a fish or a treat while we erase. Everybody erase. Okay, we're going to do it again. Clear your board. Here's your new number. This time, the number is 8. You need 8. So whatever snack you're having, you're going to put 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I got 4 more than that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't forget to double check. Sometimes you add an extra friend you didn't mean to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sweet. We have 8. Okay, so that means grab your marker and let's write 8. Okay, now we're going to subtract again, but I don't know what we're going to subtract. So we're going to say minus, add the mystery box because we don't know what it is, but we do know that it's going to equal 4. Okay, so you're writing 8 minus I don't know equals 4. Right, that means we're going to actually subtract 4. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means pick up or move away 4. How many are left, or what is the mystery number? 1, 2, 3, 4. You got it. It's 4. It's 4. Put the 4 in. Okay, we're not done because we're so very, very smart and we're growing our brains. We're doing the related fact again. Take our numbers. 4 plus 4 equals the biggest number out of that whole number sentence, 8. Okay, will you catch up? Let's read. 8 minus 4 equals 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Nice job. Now that you've really warmed your brain up, you are ready to rock and roll and do those math pages with me. We are going to clean this off. Go ahead and enjoy some of your snack. Of course, you may eat your snack as we work. Grab your green math book. And your green math book, we're all switching out now. You are going to go to the page 100. Oh, those are goldfish. We need this one. 143. I said 43. Gracious no, it's actually 47. Sorry, I got so excited about goldfish, I couldn't even read my number. 147. I know, it's okay. We all make mistakes. You try again, and then you fix them. Okay, so find 147. It has all those circles on it. And today it's going to say, just like we did yesterday, this is very similar. We need to make a math drawing. We need to circle the parts, and then we need to solve the number bond. Remember when I read, and when you read as well at home, you too need to find the numbers. So here we go. Kate made 7 cookies. Yes, find 7. Bill ate some. Oh, okay. Now Kate has 5 cookies. How many cookies did Bill eat? Don't forget, I do like to underline that sentence and that question because I'm getting old and that way I remember. And you're not old yet, but it is helpful to underline your jobs or the question you're supposed to do. So we had 7 cookies, and now we need to know the part that, or circle the part that we know. So we know that it's 5. Go over here and circle 5. Here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it. Remember, always in math, we label. That was the 5. What is over here? What? 2 little cookies. Those cookies look delicious. I'm pretending they're sugar cookies. Those are my favorite kind. Take all of your numbers now. Big number. 2 parts and put them in your number bond. So the big number is 7. The 2 parts are 5 and 2. So put 5 and 2. Now don't get tricked. You've got this. Take this number bond and turn it into the subtraction. Oh, don't mind. I'm pretty sure that's the math people calling to say, hey, you are so fun to do math with goldfish. Can we steal your idea? Of course. Okay. Here we go, 7 minus 5. So we're going to put in the 5 equals, equals 2. Put the 2 in. Do you remember what it equals? How many were left? Or how many did he eat? Not left, 2. Good work. Okay, now let's go on to number 2. On Monday, Tim had 8 pencils. Circle your 8. On Tuesday, he lost some. Oh, sorry, Tim. On Wednesday, he has 4 pencils. How many pencils did Tim lose? Don't forget to underline. I would stop underlining when I get to the punctuation. Okay, first we need to draw, and we will draw the biggest number first, which is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you want to make them like nicer pencils, I just did a circle because it's a quick draw. Go for it. So I know that this is 8. That's the big number. 8 goes in the top of that number bond. Okay, it says, well, for sure, we know the other number is 4, right? So we're going to go back down here and we're circling what we know. We know 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're labeling it 4. Good, good. Take that number you do know and put it in the number bond. Okay. How many pencils did he end up losing? So sorry, Tim. I know. I lose pencils too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, look, it's a double fact. 4 plus 4 is 8. And 8 minus 4 is 4. So he started with 8 pencils. He lost 4 pencils, and now he only has 4 left. How many did he lose? You got it. It should say 4. Okay, we're going to turn the page. When it's going to be 148 now, and there's 2 more problems for us to do. So go ahead and flip all those around, turn them around, get yourself ready for the next job. And I'll try to cover it up so you don't see this part of my book, but it's hard to fold now that we've been so far into learning all those math problems. A store had 6 shirts on the rack. So circle your 6. And now there are 2 shirts on the rack. How many shirts were sold? Oh, what was the big number that we heard right there? You got it. It's 6. I'm going to write 6 here. I'm going to draw 6. Now, shirts are hard for me to draw, so I'm sticking with circles because it's a quick draw. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sweet. Okay, circle the number you do know. Yeah, that's 2. Put it in the number bond as the part and circle 2 because you know 2. What is the other part that you now know that goes here and here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, put it over here. Now, when you subtract, remember you always start with the very, very biggest number. So 6 minus 2 equals 4. So how many shirts were sold? How many shirts were sold? 4. Right on. Okay, we're going to wrap up. Number 4. There were 9 children at the park. Circle your 9. Some of the children went inside. Oh, man. 5 children stayed out. Here, just to give you a little hint, it's spelled out, but we still know that's a number. And when I do the things like that, I label it so I remember that's the word 5. How many children went inside? Okay, let's talk again. Who's the biggest number, 9 or 5? 9. Put your 9 in, draw 9. And again, you're going to see me draw circles for a quick draw. We just need 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the number you know that is inside of 9? Yes, it's 5. We're going to write it and we're going to find it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So circle that 5. We always label it so we don't forget. And we find the other part of 9. So let's go back and find the other part. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, okay. So the 4 goes over here. All right. Now we're going to take all the numbers. We're going to start a subtraction sentence. Always start with a big number. Okay, 9 minus 5 equals 4. Equals 4. Sweet. You did very good, but I am going to say, if you feel like Mrs. Jones, I would love to show you me growing my math brain. You could try doing this page by yourself. It's page 100. Let me show it to you, 149. But you don't have to today, just if you feel like you want a good challenge or this was so easy. Thanks for doing math with me. You did great. I miss being with you on the screen and in person. I'll see you soon.